This is James Bond.
I'm going to Uruguay for 6 months probably, so...
Lewis, watch out!
That was what he did to me.
You gotta watch out, man.
He's getting excited.
You're a pansy. The freaking elephant just rocked your world, man.
The baby's 5 months old.
You're a pansy, you can't take out a 5-month-old baby. Hey! Awesome.
They do that to break the branches so they can eat it in one because they're like...
They're breaking the branches?
Yeah.
To eat it?
So that they can easily put it in their mouth because they don't like to chew.
Oh.
They're lazy.
Yes, they are. Yeah, here in the back they have like this, how do you call them? The big teeth.
Molars? Yeah.
Frank, can you put
Like,
this in your
but
mouth?
it's
Yeah.
Like this.
you caught me off guard. Yeah.
Get those.
The elephant is
All female
awesome.
except the baby, but she's a bit too young to over here.
Yeah.
But we have one male. But
I've been taking it the whole time. I got you getting your butt kicked by the elephant.
They never grow it and happens once in a while.
Nice work. Yeah, I think friendly but energetic.
You see, that's not the same as
I know guys like that. Yeah, we know many guys like that. Yeah, true. I wanted the baby to sleep. Go stand by it.
I am just the same.
Shorts?
Yeah, they're great.
Yeah. Built-in underwear.
Come on. I took him out.